Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez and I am here filming a very special video because today I have been invited to be part of the designer team for the Enjoy the Little Things video blog hubs that happens every month. I think it's the last week of the month, and so I am very honored and thrilled to be participating on this blog hub, to be honest. So anyway, this month the theme is the pre-order from the holiday catalog, and so look at this. This is the front of our new holiday catalog. And if you don't have a demonstrator, if you're in the US and would like to get a copy of this catalog, please contact me. I leave the details of my blog in my description, as well as my email, so you can contact me and request your very own copy. So anyway, this year Stampin' Up! Has done amazing on this new holiday catalog, and one of the pre-order item, well, not pre-order, but one of the items that you can get now as a demonstrator is this gorgeous stamp set that you can use to color with the blends. Now, what is really cool about it is that it comes with the frame list. So as usual, you get both of these items on a bundle price and save 10% of them. So on each of them. So this one is Signs of Santa and the Santa Signpost. What is really cool about it is that this has a coordinating design series paper, of course, right? I mean, you know me. I love the design series paper. Let me just bring it here for a second. And here it is. And this one is called, what is the name of this? Santa's Workshop Specialty Design Series paper. And as usual, you can see the colors here that are included on this set. Okay, so let me just show you real quick what I think is the coolest thing ever. More and more, Stampin' Up! Has been doing their frame lids where it kind of coordinates the frame lids. And so, like in this case, this Santa Claus can be die cut with this set. Now, not everything can be die cut, but some of the images can. And so to me, that's the best thing ever, because there's no fussy cutting. So if you don't like fussy cutting, you can go ahead and just use your Thinlits and die cut it. You can see this one also. I believe this one also has it. So here we go. So you can die cut some of them. Now, again, not everything has a die, but a lot of these images has, and some others are really easy to fussy cut. Another one that has the coordinating framelits is this one. And believe me, you can see I am in love with this. I love cutting it. And you can see again, you have the little elves die cut, so you can use them also here. So they did great with that one. And then they have this other one that I think is gorgeous, right? The little Mrs. Claus. Is that not gorgeous? So you don't have to be fussy cutting with this. Now for this one, there's a lot more images that you can die cut, honestly. So on this one, you have also the gifts. You can also die cut the gifts. See that? Or you can also do this little wagon, I guess. I don't know how is this called in English, but this little one as well. Or you can also die cut this little stand. How about that? So like I said, this is amazing. I think Stampin' Up! Has done great, and you definitely need to have the frameless for this, because you are gonna be die cutting like crazy on these ones. Now, the reason this is a specialty paper is because, I don't know if you can see it, but the white sections has a little bit of a texture. And it's not glossy. I don't know. It's like, I don't know, like flock. That's the name. So it's like flock. And so it has this fuzzy flock that looks amazing. So anything that is white on the images, or a lot of it, has this little flock. And the same happens with some of this. Like the Santa Claus hat has it. Some of these little hats, the gifts. So it is amazing. there's also some other pages, like in this case, you can, let me show you. You can die cut this one and you have the flock snowflakes on this, see? So it's an amazing paper that you will be making cards and cards over and over and over. I mean, you're not gonna believe it. This one, the stripes are flock. I don't know if you can see it. It's harder, but it's just amazing. And here's another one. And here's another one. These two doesn't have flock. And so you can see here the colors from the background. So all of them are amazing for Christmas projects. So as I was saying, I went crazy and I already die cut a lot of them. So you can see the Santa, which is going to be the project that we're using. And then some of the ones that I said you can do. See that? So you have the gifts, the little wagon that takes them, the little elves, and the Mrs. Claus and this little sign. So like I said, it is amazing. You just have to use the framelits and go for it. So this is really, really, really a great paper. And of course you want to have the bundle because you can't die cut everything, right? And let me just show you a little bit of this one. See? So you can also do, these are the ones that I did in color with blends. And like I said, this is amazing. I really love it. So very easy to color this with the blends. You can see there's no much shadowing. And guess what? I used a little bit of the Pool Party on this. Really just following how Stampin' Up! had colored these. You can see it here. So it looks pretty cool, don't you think? So like I said, amazing stamp set and bundle to have. So anyway, so let's just go ahead and get with this. So our card today is what is this? Garden green, and it is 5.5 by 8.5, and I'm gonna be folding it in half using my bone folder. All right. Okay. Then I have a piece of, let me get these. Okay. So I can go over measurements with you. Sorry, I'm getting out of a cold. But anyway, this one is 4 1/4 by 3 1/4. And this one is crushed curry. And this one is 4 by 3, of course. Always 1/4 of an inch smaller. I have a strip here because I might want to do a little bit of flax here. So I have a strip. And this one I believe is like 3/4 of an inch. Let me see. Yes. And it doesn't matter how long it is because I'm actually just going to take a little bit to have a little bit of like flax going out of here. I have already die cut this image. And I have a 2 1/4 circle that I punch with on the vellum cardstock, so you can see it here. That way I can have some sort of texture, if you will. And then I have a little piece of this one is Pool Party. It is 1/2 of an inch by like a little bit less than 2 inches. You can see here it's like 3 1/4. And the only reason I want this is because I want to put this little sentiment. So that's the whole thing there. I am using these sentiments. Because I'm wishing you everything on your list and more. I thought it was really cute. And especially having this little Santa here with the list from everyone. So let's just go ahead and stamp those. Oh, sorry about that. It fell off. So let's just go ahead and do this. And I'm going to be using Coastal Cabana for these. Let's just see how it looks. But wishing you. There we go. And then for this one, we're gonna go ahead and put the and more. Super quick, easy card to do. And I'm sure you can make lots of these fairly easy. So that's all. I think that's all the stamping I'm going to be doing today, honestly. I thought that was pretty much it. Yes. So this one will go like so here. So let's just bring my adhesive. Alrighty. We're going to center it. Then we're going to have this section. Because I'm going to be covering the majority of these, I'm just going to put the adhesive in the center. Like so. And then this one will go here. There we go. Now, this one, I want it on dimensional. So, let me bring the dimensional. So, here we go. And I probably want to use, give me 1 second here, the little ones. Okay. So I'm going to make sure these sections do not can move. Maybe another one here. You know me, I love putting dimensionals all over the place. Maybe there. Alright. Peel it off. Alrighty. Oh, you know, before I put this down, let's just make sure I have these. Because I really think that it will be nice to have a little bit of 2 flags here. So, using my scissors, I'm going to be doing a little B. And I'm going to be having like so. And I'm going to be doing another one the same way. There we go. And so I'm going to go ahead and put them together. So I can, and you can see that I am just eyeballing it. I'm not really measuring as to how much I want. I'm going to be putting a little bit of, yes, on this side, I think it will be. Well, let's see, before I do that. Do I want it here, where this one will go? Yes, I think I do. Alright, so let's just go ahead and put a little bit of glue here. And you can tell I'm just gonna go ahead and do this one. And there we go. Yes. Oh yeah, I love it. Okay, so now that I have it like so, I'm just gonna go ahead and put it here. Now I can put this one here. Oh. There we go. And then this one will go here. Now for these, like I said, I'm just gonna do a little flag as well. And I'm going to, yes. And this is a little bit crooked, so there we go. Let's just see. Perfect. And so now I'm just going to be adding a dimensional. What do you do with it? Oh, here it is. So what do you do with the dimensionals, huh? And I'll put another one here. So let's just peel this off. And have it here. And voila. Is this not easy? I mean, it really is, right? You can make a gazillion of these. And like I said, you can use the design series paper. And once you add a design series paper, you can just use the stamp set, the coordinate stamp set, and color it. Because it's really easy. Like I said, you just follow the same colors. And with the blends, there is no problem. I mean, you can see they look pretty much the same little guy, huh? How about that? So anyway, thank you so much for stopping by. Like I said, this is a video to showcase products, upcoming products from the new holiday catalog. Do make sure to visit all the blogs participating on this hope so that you can watch all the videos on how to make really nice cards. I'm sure everyone's praise are going to be fantastic because that holiday catalog is amazing. And like I said, thank you so much. One thing don't forget is my ordering incentive. As always, you can go to creatingwithali.com where you can get the hostess codes, and when you place an order using the hostess code, you get a card kit in the mail to make 4 cards, and I'll send you everything. The paper, the embellishments, everything, instructions as well. And if your order is $50 or more, you also get the accessory of the month. Oh, talking about accessories, don't you think it might be nice to have some rhinestones? I totally forgot about that. I have them here and I forgot about it. Because I think it will be nice to have like 3 little rhinestones all over the place. There we go. Oh, actually, I think it will be nice to have it. Oh, maybe here. Maybe here. There we go. Yes, so you can have a little bit of bling there. So anyway, so you can have also the accessory of the month, which could be rhinestones. It could be, and by the way, do you know this is a new tool coming up also on the new catalog? You have multiples. I'll make a video about these, but anyway, this is another cool thing that is coming up on the new holiday catalog. So again, thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll try to post regularly there some quick and easy cards for you to make. Thank you and have a good day.